it later in the chapters, and then you'll see it on the final in exam 3 probably. So, any ideas or any suggestions to how we can attack this? How do we make, this is CH3, CH2, CH, I don't know how many steps we have figured out. CH3, CH2, CO, CH2, CH2, CH3. What screams at you? Ketone, right? Ketone screams out at you. So how do you make a ketone? Let's do retrosynthesis, which is, okay. So enol, somebody says enol, which is CH, let's call it COH, right? CH2, I'll go from this side. And then how do we make an enol? How do we make an enol? How do we do this ketone? What's the starting material that we need to make a enol? CH3, anybody? People say triple bond, right? So CH, somehow we need a triple bond here, right? Somehow, which means we cannot have hydrogen, carbon. So let's say H2O,
H2SO4.
or maybe it's the boron, right? Maybe it's the BH3, THF, step 2, H2O2. It's one of these because they give you a ketone. CH2, CH2, CH3. Now you see the problem here is this hydrogen is there, right? This hydrogen is there. That's a problem. That's a problem because you know, this is what we have, or we think we could use, but really that's our starting material. Right here. See the starting material? This starting material has to be part of this. So how do we make a longer carbon chain? Anybody?
SN2.
Longer carbon chain.
Strong base.
Right. Strong base. So we need to basically either make a strong base, make acetylide of this. But this is our acetylene, right? So here we can suggest strong base minus, you get CH3, CH2, C minus, right? And then that's 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. What do we do about the rest? It's that reaction I told you not to worry about. So it's not a fair question. We have to add an alkyl halide to build on the chain. But you were close. So yes, you have ketone. Yes, you need some transformation from triple bond to ketone. But how do you make a long carbon chain out of the triple bond? You just simply take something with the triple bond, add it onto something like this. This is an unfair question, I know. So don't worry, there won't be any retrosynthesis on exam 2. But you have it for your viewing. So exam 2 will be only on alkene reactivity, alkyne reactivity, stereochemistry of alkyne and alkene reactions. What I mean by this is, I say to you, not just show me the mechanism of this reaction, I say to you, this compound with this reagent gives you a meso compound. Explain why. Questions like this. Yeah? Yes. So exam 2 will cover everything, to this point. So today, whatever we covered so far, alkene, alkyne, stereochemistry. And then today, whatever we did today, it might be on the exam.
Kinetics and thermodynamics, right?
Yes, good point. And kinetics and thermodynamics also, because that's the part we skipped last exam 1, but we did cover in the lecture. But not properties and what else? Kekulé structure we still didn't cover, and we're going to cover today. But that's resonance chapter. You don't have to worry about resonance. Resonance we covered today. You don't have to worry about it. Right?